Hi guys, so welcome back to the channel. If you're new, make sure you like, share and subscribe. Today we are going to HomeGoods to look for some stuff for the bathroom. So let's grab our cart and get in. And this store was fully packed of trays. In this section it was fully stocked. I wanted to get a decanter to put my water in it, and here I found one, but I did not like the glass, the little glass on the top, so that was a stain. I did not get it. But this store was fully packed, and I wanted to get like some glass containers so that I can put soaps or whatever things I need to put in my bathroom. And here we are in the towel section. This HomeGoods was fully stocked. I was looking to get some of those ones with the lines right here and the stripes, which I really love, but I don't think I got this one. I think that we already have some already, but this green one was cute, but I don't want it. I wanted more like after that. So if you have a lot of pink, you like pinks, HomeGoods is the one for you. I also love this bench, which I can put in my bathroom. It's already synced, and this was such a good price, $49 on sale, but I didn't grab it. I left it, and this is, I'm sorry that the picture got cut off. Okay, let me zoom in. This was $24.99. This is Maggie and Pro Do, which is really good. I have the Maggie and Pro one. I already picked up a chopping board and some coconut water in my car. So here we are home now, and let's get into all that I got from HomeGoods.
Hi guys, if you're new, my name is Isis. I do a lot of home decor, interior designs, decor, DIY and all that stuff. So I have a little haul from HomeGoods, so we're gonna go ahead, jump right in. From HomeGoods, Hobby Lobby, HomeSense, and a little Amazon. So right now I'm renovating my bathroom, and you're gonna see the video for that. But I wanted to have some decor pieces for my bathroom, so let's go ahead and share what we have. So first we're gonna do some vases, which I got from HomeGoods and HomeSense, and I absolutely love them. So the first one is this beauty. Absolutely stunning. I think this one was $24.99. No, $19.99 was for this one, and I love it. I love the texture on top of it. So this is one. Then I have another one here, which I got from HomeGoods, and so add on my shelf styling in my bathroom. I think I hit some good choices of vase. This is another one right here. Love it. And just now when I was bringing it to share with you guys, I cracked there, but I could always just style in the front, so I could always turn it around. So this is another one. Let me just clip my mics on so I don't have to hold them in my hand. And this one was a steal. I think I got this one for $19.99. I don't think it had just a tag on it. Even the lady had to look at the bottom because how heavy this is and how beautiful this is. I think this was priced wrongly, but hey, my luck. So I love it. I think this can also be styled on my shelving behind me, which I love. For the bathroom itself, I got some Q-tips. These was $6.99 to go on the shelf. I want to give my bathroom like a spa effect. Then I got some soaps from Amazon. These are goat milk, I think. So they smell so divine, and I'm glad that they are white. So I'm going to put them in a glass jar on the shelf, and they're going to look so good. They say it's very good for your skin, and I wanted to use these on my son's skin especially. So I got 2 packs of these, but I'm gonna have everything linked in my etiquette. I have 2 packs of these soaps. Then I also got the sanitizer. It's a toilet UV light sanitizer, so I'm gonna do a video for this. So that's that. Then we have moved into this house almost 2 years now, and we have not had a toilet paper holder on our wall in the primary bathroom. So I got this one that you can stick it on, and you can also put the screws in, and that the fact that you can put your phone or whatever on top here, and you can put your toilet paper right here. So I'm gonna get my husband to put that up in a bit. So we have that list for my mouthwash. I wanted to put these in my mouthwash in this, so this will be my husband's side and this will be on my side, and these look so cute. So keeping it classy with the glass, and then I want to use just light colors, neutral colors, so keep it like that. Hobby Lobby, this is to do a DIY to make a pillow. So I'm going to use 2 napkins, 2 table runners, 2 table mats, and then sit them together and make a pillow. So this is gonna look good. So this is for DIY. I also got this picture frame from Hobby Lobby, and this was $29.99 with 50% off. And if you can see without the glare, so that's all it is. It's like a flower. I think you just brighten the space. So I'm gonna put this on the shelf over the toilet. So that's that. We needed to get a pan opener, glass one broke. Then I can also maybe take these out of there and put them in here. The Q-tips, I can put these in here and have them covered, or put some cotton balls or wipes in these. I'll also pick up some hand towels from HomeGoods. These was $14.99 for these 2, which I think, I'm not sure if I'm going to take them back. Then I got some bath towels. This is not black, but it's a dark brown and cream. And the bath towels was also $14.99, which I got 2 of those. I don't even know what this was. Hand soap, we got this from HomeGoods, and this was $7.99. So this is soap, $7.99. So keeping the colors in the theme of the bathroom. Then we have something else here. So maybe we could put a bath soap on each side. So we have 2 of these. Goes on my side and one on my husband's side. So this is pretty cute. And these were $16.99 each. I also got me a tray to go on my kitchen island. I think this was $39.99. Then I also got another vase to go on the shelf, and this was on clearance for $11.99. I also got a scent diffuser. This smells so good. When I open it in the store, it smells so good. This is gonna go on the shelf over the toilet, and then you put the sticks in. But it smells so good. This one is Magnolia. So this really smells so good, and then I'm gonna put the sticks inside of it. And this was, I think, was $12.99 for this one. Then I also got the larger box to go in the bathroom. Even if I don't use it for my bathroom, I can use it for one of my son's bathroom. Then I absolutely love this. I share with you guys this in my trip to HomeGoods. And so this is what I get to $16.99. I can put all my sanitary napkins inside here and close it so my husband don't have to see it, and it still look clean, and have it on the shelf. But I love this for. I also ordered 3 pairs of these sandals, like one for me, my husband, and my baby. The other 2 can get them for themselves. So we got these for us, and I think Eli said these are too small for him, so I just remember that I have to return them and get a bigger size for him. I didn't even recognize one was in this box, so these are mine. And then my husband own is somewhere. Then I don't even remember what I picked up. This is what I picked up today, and I don't remember. Oh, this is a glass container with like a glass bowl. This can be used in the kitchen. You could put candies or whatever. But I think I'm going to use it in my bathroom on my shelf. I can have maybe some soap, something soapy, or I don't know what I'm going to use it for, but it's going to be used in my bathroom. Maybe cotton balls. This is going to look so good. And this was $9.99. I'm sorry if I'm not looking over there, but it's 2 cameras, so you understand me, guys. Then I saw this shopping bowl today to look style on my counter island, my countertop, and this was $16.99. I love the color. I think the color is what sold me on it, so I love the stain that is on it. So those are for the kitchen. I think only 3 things I got for the kitchen. And then when I went to HomeGoods today, I saw this other vase. I know I love vase. Yes, just buy me a vase and I'll be fine. I prefer to have a vase than a bag. I don't know why, but I love vases. And tell me this is not a beauty. This is the last one and I absolutely love it. As fall is coming up, I can put some dark flowers in it. I'm not keeping it in before we go into fall itself, so I can still put in my burgundy stems and have the white vase. But look how this is huge, and this is absolutely beautiful. So guys, this is my little mini haul. I hope you love them. If you see anything that you like, I might, if I can link it, I would link it, but let me know which was your favorite, and I'll see you on the next one.